to join, and to invite. I recently had a request to talk about the verbs to join and to invite. So I invite you to join me on this journey. Let's go. Let's start with the verb to join. This verb has a couple of different meanings. The first definition is to become part of a group or organization. For example, I joined a gym last year. It can also mean to become part of an activity. For example, I joined my friends for dinner last night. Things can get kind of confusing sometimes with join because there's this idea that there was an invitation. So if I joined a gym, maybe the gym invited me to join. Or if I join my friends for dinner, maybe they invited me to join them. Maybe not. I mean, the group of us could have decided together to go out to dinner. You can see how these two verbs connect. Now let's talk about the verb to invite. This means that another person is asking you to come to an activity. This could be a friend asking you to come to a party or to come to a meal. It could be an organization asking you to become part of their organization. Things can get a little bit tricky with the verb invite because sometimes we use the verb join when we are giving an invitation. For example, I could say, I would like to invite you to dinner tomorrow. But we could also say, would you like to join me for dinner tomorrow? Now, both of these are invitations. An invitation is the noun of invite. So that's where things can become a little confusing. But this is an invitation because someone else is asking you.